The power of a clean space. A clean space has a power that goes far beyond its visual appeal. It can have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. When we walk into a clutter-free room, our minds automatically feel lighter, calmer, and more at ease. It's as if the tidiness around us mirrors the order we crave within ourselves. The physical act of cleaning also releases endorphins in our brains, which are natural mood boosters. As we scrub away dirt and grime, we are simultaneously clearing out negative energy from our minds. There is something incredibly therapeutic about the repetitive motions of sweeping or wiping down surfaces. It allows us to focus solely on the task at hand, giving us a break from racing thoughts and worries. Furthermore, a clean space promotes productivity and clarity of thought. With less distraction from clutter, our minds become clearer and more focused on the tasks ahead. We can approach work or daily activities with renewed energy and enthusiasm when surrounded by cleanliness. Cleaning motivation, fueling your productivity and happiness. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the mess in your living space? Are you struggling to find the motivation to start cleaning? You're not alone. Many of us have experienced those days when even getting out of bed feels like a chore, let alone tackling household chores. But did you know that cleaning can actually be a powerful motivator for overcoming depression? It may sound surprising, but a clean and organized space has been proven to have a positive impact on mental health. The act of decluttering and tidying up can help alleviate stress, reduce anxiety, and increase feelings of control and accomplishment. So how do we find that much-needed cleaning motivation when we're feeling low? Start by setting small goals for yourself. Break down the tasks into manageable chunks instead of overwhelming yourself with everything at once. This way, as you complete each task, you'll feel motivated to move on to the next one. Overcoming depression. Depression is a heavy burden to bear. It can make even the simplest tasks seem overwhelming and drain all motivation from your body. But what if I told you that something as mundane as cleaning could help in overcoming this debilitating condition? When we're depressed, our environment often reflects how we feel inside, messy, chaotic, and disorganized. The thought of tackling such a space may seem daunting, but it can actually have a profound impact on our mental health. Cleaning has the power to transform not just our physical surroundings, but also our mindset. By creating an organized and clean space, we create room for clarity and peace within ourselves. The act of cleaning itself can be therapeutic. Engaging in repetitive motions like sweeping or wiping down surfaces allows us to focus on the task at hand, diverting attention from negative thoughts that tend to consume us when we are struggling with depression. Mental health transformation. When it comes to overcoming depression, one of the most powerful tools at our disposal is the transformation of our mental health. Depression can often make us feel trapped in a never-ending cycle of negative thoughts and emotions. However, by actively working on improving our mental well-being, we can break free from this cycle and experience a transformative shift in how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. One way to start this transformation is by seeking professional help. Therapists or counselors can provide valuable guidance and support as you navigate through your journey towards better mental health. They can help you identify negative thought patterns, develop coping strategies, and address any underlying issues that may be contributing to your depression. In addition to therapy, self-care practices play an important role in transforming your mental health. Uplifting cleaning routine. We all know that cleaning can sometimes feel like a chore, but what if I told you that it could actually be an uplifting and energizing experience? With the right mindset and approach, your cleaning routine can become a source of motivation and positivity in your life. Try to create a pleasant atmosphere while you clean. Open the windows to let in some fresh air, put on your favorite music or podcast, or even light a scented candle. These small touches can turn an ordinary chore into a therapeutic activity. Next, break down your cleaning tasks into smaller manageable chunks. Instead of tackling everything at once, focus on one area or room at a time. Finding joy in everyday tasks. We often underestimate the power of finding joy in everyday tasks. Mundane chores like sweeping, dusting, or doing dishes may seem like tedious obligations, but they can actually provide a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment. When we take the time to appreciate the results of our efforts, no matter how small they may seem, it can bring a sense of satisfaction that boosts our mood. Cleaning also offers an opportunity for mindfulness and being present in the moment. As we focus on scrubbing away dirt or organizing cluttered spaces, we are able to let go of negative thoughts and worries that often plague us during bouts of depression. It becomes a form of meditation, a chance to quiet our minds and find peace within ourselves. Setting achievable goals. Depression often makes even the smallest tasks feel insurmountable. Cleaning provides an opportunity to break down larger goals into manageable, achievable tasks. Start with a single room or even a small corner, setting realistic goals that foster a sense of accomplishment without overwhelming the individual. Physical activity and endorphin release. Engaging in cleaning activities involves physical movement, which is known to stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. Sweeping, vacuuming, and organizing can be a form of light exercise, contributing to improved overall well-being. Tangible results and a sense of accomplishment. Depression often leaves individuals feeling stuck in a cycle of despair. Cleaning provides tangible, visible results that serve as a testament to one's capabilities. Witnessing a transformed and organized space can instill a sense of achievement, breaking through the cloud of negativity. Social support and connection. Cleaning doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Involving friends or family members in the process can strengthen social connections and provide a support system. Shared tasks foster a sense of belonging and remind individuals that they are not alone in their journey toward overcoming depression. Mindfulness and presence. Cleaning can be a meditative practice, allowing individuals to be present in the moment. Focusing on the task at hand, whether it's wiping down surfaces or folding laundry, can serve as a form of mindfulness, offering a reprieve from the persistent thoughts associated with depression. Conclusion. In the pursuit of overcoming depression, unconventional methods can often yield surprising results. Cleaning motivation may seem simple, but its impact on mental health is profound. By taking small steps toward a cleaner and more organized living space, individuals can find a pathway to reclaiming their lives and rediscovering the strength within themselves to rise and shine once again. So, this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.